Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best folding electric bikes in 2025. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best folding electric bikes. The 5th product on our list is Sohamo S3. This Sohamo folding e-bike is a great pick for anyone who's looking for something they can use to commute to work, but isn't ready to commit to spending well over $1,000 for a top-of-the-line electric bike. The 750-watt brushless motor can reach a max speed of 28 miles per hour, and the battery has a range of up to 40 miles. After you get to work, you can fold the bike down to about half its size and stash it in a corner. The removable battery can be plugged into a charger wherever you want. For a no-effort ride, put it in e-bike mode and let the bike do all the work. If you want to get in some exercise on your commute, switch it to either normal pedaled mode, to use it like a standard bike, or pedal assist, which gives you a little boost from the motor as you pedal. As a Class 3 e-bike, the Sohamo S3 is great for building up speed, but you should double-check your local laws to make sure you can ride it where you want to. Up next, in 4th place, is the Tern GSD S10. For parents or cyclists who have a lot of cargo to haul, the Tern GSD S10 is the must-have folding e-bike. The heavy-duty frame can support up to 440 pounds with an extra-long cargo rack that fits up to 2 child seats, or a whole lot of groceries, camping gear, or whatever else you're hauling. With that extra cargo space, you need extra power to ensure you can tackle hills or longer distances even when fully loaded. This e-bike delivers with a Bosch cargo line motor that provides up to 85 Newton-meters of torque, a measure of rotational force that helps propel the wheels forward. The Class 1 e-bike can give you up to 53 miles of pedal assistance on a single charge, and the fast-charging battery recharges in just 2.5 to 4 hours. Plus, Class 1 e-bikes can generally be used wherever traditional bikes are allowed. But you should always double-check local laws to make sure. When you're not riding it, this bike can fold flat and be stored vertically to take up about as much space as a potted plant. The 3rd product on our list is the G-Force T7. With its full suspension frame and fat tires, the G-Force T7 is a bike that's built for the trails. This folding electric bike has the grip and shock absorption you need to ride over roots and gravel with ease. Use the pedal assist or full throttle modes to help you conquer steep inclines, and then switch back to normal bike mode to coast downhill. With a range of up to 130 miles on a single charge, riders can enjoy the benefits of motor-powered pedal assistance even on longer trail rides. Plus, the battery is removable, so you can either bring a spare or recharge overnight on multi-day rides. The long-lasting battery takes 6 to 8 hours to recharge. Reaching speeds as high as 32 miles per hour, this trail-ready Class 3 e-bike is a ton of fun to ride, but also great for breezing through longer commutes. Since you can set it to Class 2 e-bike mode on the LCD display, you can ride this bike anywhere that either Class 2 or Class 3 e-bikes are allowed. Switch seamlessly between streets and mixed-used paths along your commute by simply toggling the modes as needed. The 2nd product on our list is the Lectric XP Lite 2.0. The XP Lite 2.0 continues Lectric's practice of delivering more bike for less money. It's an upgrade from the original version of the bike, but somehow it's still priced well below the $1,000 mark. This makes it, without a doubt, the most affordable e-bike to earn our stamp of approval. To be clear, the Lite 2.0 has some trade-offs. There's no avoiding it with such a low price tag. The bike includes a single-speed drivetrain, a modest 300-watt rear hub motor, a small but effective 374-watt-hour battery, and a rigid fork. Even with some compromises, the bike's starting value is insane. For example, the bike includes hydraulic disc brakes and a color display, both of which are unheard of on similarly priced models from other brands. Lectric also offers the ability to upgrade some components on the bike at the time of purchase. For a nominal price, the standard chain can be upgraded to a Gates carbon belt, along with a matching chainring and cog, for an even lower maintenance and longer-lasting drivetrain. A high-capacity 672 watt-hour battery can be selected to nearly double the expected range. At roughly 48 pounds, the Lite 2.0 is also appropriately named, and one of the more practical folding e-bikes we've tested. The difference was clear in our evaluation. In a market filled with bikes that weigh 65+ pounds, the Lite folds, lifts, and stores much easier. If you're considering an e-bike, but you don't want to take out a second mortgage to get one that's practical and well-built, we think the Lite 2.0 will fit the bill. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the Rad Power Expand 5 Plus. The Rad Power Expand 5 Plus was carefully crafted to be a safe, powerful, and versatile e-bike for riding in towns and cities where you often share the road or walkway with others. The IPX6 frame is weather-resistant with hydraulic disc brakes that offer reliable stopping power in any weather. The thermal insulated battery goes above and beyond safety standards to keep the battery protected even on hot days. Lights on the front and rear ensure you're visible to cars and pedestrians, while dual turn signals let you alert them to where you're headed next. Beyond durability and safety features, it's also just a really fun e-bike to ride. The battery offers up to 60 miles per charge and, unlike some other e-bikes, it can maintain strong performance that entire time, rather than slowing down or losing power as the battery nears empty. As a Class 2 e-bike, it offers 5 levels of pedal assistance as well as a zero assist option. If your city doesn't allow Class 2 e-bikes on mixed-used paths or sidewalks, you also have the option of setting it to Class 1 status, giving you more options to ride this regardless of your local laws. That's all for our list of the 5 best folding electric bikes on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.